forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN 8. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 2. I'm joined by Mr. Massive.
The one and only massive man.
Yeah.
Stivo.
Show leader.
What a nice game.
Top game.
Polokwane City ilwela brawaga. They really fought. Game extra time. It was very tough. Stivo, Araskalabala or Sundowns, they are a little bit rusty because preseason are compressed due to the family issues, family situations. So I think as by grab formation but they are coming. I think let's give them 2 to 3 games. We're gonna see the Mamelodi Sundowns that we know. But none other than Stivo, it was a nice game. Masandawan at Lang Stadium. Masandawan at Lang Stadium. A little stadium. Papa like home game in Vetu. I got a joker by 57. But stadium. Because we know our Mamelodi Sundowns fans, they don't go to away games. They must use this home as advantage. You understand? I was so disappointed to see the way stadium in the Selega one. More is the first game in Mamelodi Sundowns this season. You understand? Kamala Watala below massive Gamola. China phone sha member maraba fitu tabe already la most well research I fail I fail Steve Steve ereke guy majida mangwe chance brawaga a re kopane ka usana
ya mara no se ke tlo rekisa di bag for ire nya di phone ba fe ke lo stoka di bag ke tlo di branda mo le ma fans wethu le di reking stadium le tlanto
side bag
thank you leadership